In a world of fleeting food trends and manufactured wellness, it's easy to lose sight of the simple, enduring power of nature's bounty. The allure of fast food and processed meals often overshadows the profound benefits of fresh, natural ingredients that have been sustaining humanity for centuries. Our ancestors thrived on diets built around whole grains, seeds, and plant-based oils, foods that nourished their bodies and sustained their communities for generations. These foods were not just sustenance, they were a way of life, deeply intertwined with cultural practices and seasonal rhythms. Thankfully, this wisdom hasn't been lost to the sands of time. Modern science is now catching up, validating the health benefits that traditional diets have long provided. The resurgence of interest in these foods is a testament to their enduring value. Today, we're witnessing a resurgence of interest in these traditional staples, now hailed as superfoods for their remarkable health benefits. Farmers' markets are bustling with vibrant produce, and people are increasingly seeking out these nutrient-dense foods. From the rich, nutty flavor of sesame oil to the delicate crunch of quinoa, these ancient ingredients are making their way back onto our plates and into our pantries. They offer not only unique flavors, but also a wealth of nutritional benefits that modern diets often lack. They're not just delicious, they're packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats that can transform our health from the inside out. Incorporating these foods into our daily meals can lead to improved energy levels, better digestion, and overall well-being. This isn't about following the latest fad diet. It's about rediscovering the timeless wisdom of eating in harmony with nature. It's about understanding the profound connection between the food we eat and the land it comes from, and how this relationship can enhance our health and happiness. This essay will be your guide to navigating this exciting world of culinary possibilities. We'll explore the rich history and modern applications of these superfoods, providing you with the knowledge and inspiration to make them a staple in your kitchen. We'll delve into the world of seed oils, exploring the unique properties of sesame, rice bran, and black seed oil. Each of these oils has its own distinct flavor profile and health benefits, making them versatile additions to a variety of dishes. We'll uncover the nutritional powerhouses that are quinoa, chia seeds, and wild rice, and equip you with the knowledge to incorporate them into your daily routine. These superfoods are not only rich in essential nutrients, but also incredibly versatile, allowing for endless culinary creativity. But it's not just about understanding the what, it's about embracing the how. We'll provide practical tips and techniques for cooking with these ingredients, ensuring that you can easily integrate them into your meals. We'll embark on a journey from seed to supper, providing practical tips for cultivating these superfoods in your own backyard. Growing your own food can be a rewarding experience, connecting you more deeply with the food you eat and the natural world around you. And to top it off, we'll share simple yet delectable recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body from the inside out. These recipes are designed to be both delicious and nutritious, making healthy eating an enjoyable and sustainable part of your lifestyle. Get ready to embark on a delicious adventure. Your journey to a healthier, more vibrant you starts now. Embrace the bounty of nature and discover the profound impact it can have on your life, one meal at a time. Seed oils, often referred to as liquid gold, have been prized for centuries for their culinary and medicinal properties. These oils, extracted from the seeds of various plants, have been a staple in many cultures around the world, not just for their flavor, but also for their health benefits. Extracted from the heart of various seeds, these oils are a concentrated source of essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that our bodies crave. The process of extracting these oils can vary, from traditional methods using a press to modern mechanical and chemical extraction techniques, each preserving the unique properties of the oils. Let's unlock the treasure chest and explore 3 remarkable oils: sesame, rice bran, and black seed oil. Each of these oils has its own unique profile and benefits, making them versatile additions to both your kitchen and your wellness routine. Sesame oil, with its rich nutty aroma and flavor, has graced Asian cuisines for millennia. It is often used in stir-fries, marinades, and dressings, adding a distinctive taste that enhances the overall flavor of the dish. Beyond its culinary versatility, sesame oil boasts a unique composition of fatty acids, including linoleic and oleic acid, known for their heart-healthy benefits. These fatty acids help to reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. It's also a good source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects our cells from damage. Vitamin E is essential for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, and it also strengthens the body's natural defense against illness and infection. Rice bran oil, derived from the outer layer of the rice grain, is another nutritional powerhouse. This oil is particularly popular in Asian countries, where it is used for frying, baking, and salad dressings due to its high smoke point and mild flavor. This oil is gaining popularity for its balanced fatty acid profile, comparable to that of olive oil. It contains a mix of saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated fats, making it a heart-healthy choice for cooking. Rice bran oil is also rich in oryzanol, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved heart health. Oryzanol helps to reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines, thereby lowering the overall cholesterol levels in the body. Black seed oil, hailing from the Middle East, has been revered for its therapeutic properties since ancient times. It has been used in traditional medicine for over 2,000 years, with references to its benefits found in ancient texts and scriptures. This oil, extracted from the Nigella sativa plant, is a rich source of thymoquinone, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Thymoquinone has been studied for its potential to treat a variety of ailments, from asthma to arthritis. Black seed oil has been traditionally used to support respiratory health, digestion, and immune function. It is often taken as a supplement or added to foods to enhance their nutritional value and provide a natural boost to the immune system. Incorporating these seed oils into your diet is as simple as drizzling them over salads, using them for sautéing vegetables, or adding them to your favorite dips and sauces. Their versatility in the kitchen makes them easy to include in a variety of dishes, from appetizers to main courses. Their distinct flavors and remarkable health benefits make them a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're looking to enhance the taste of your meals or boost your overall health, these seed oils offer a natural and effective solution. Step aside, kale and blueberries. While these classic superfoods have had their time in the limelight, it's time to make room for some new, or rather ancient, nutritional powerhouses that are taking the health world by storm. There's a new, or rather ancient, wave of superfoods taking the nutritional spotlight: quinoa, chia seeds, and wild rice. These foods have been cherished for centuries by various cultures for their incredible health benefits and are now making a well-deserved comeback. These nutritional powerhouses, revered by ancient civilizations for their life-sustaining properties, are making a triumphant comeback, and for good reason. They offer a range of health benefits that can help you lead a healthier, more balanced life. Quinoa, often mistaken for a grain, is actually a seed that hails from the Andean region of South America. This versatile seed has been a staple in the diet of Andean people for thousands of years. This gluten-free powerhouse is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce on their own. This makes quinoa an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to meet their protein needs. Quinoa is also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium, making it a nutritional all-star. Its high fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut, while iron and magnesium are crucial for energy production and muscle function. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty, were a staple in the diets of ancient Aztecs and Mayans. These small seeds were valued for their ability to provide sustained energy, and were even used as currency in some cultures. Don't let their size fool you. These seeds are packed with nutrients. Just a small amount of chia seeds can provide a significant portion of your daily nutrient needs. They're an excellent source of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation, while antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Chia seeds also have a unique ability to absorb liquid, forming a gel-like consistency that aids digestion and promotes satiety. This makes them a great addition to your diet if you're looking to manage your weight or improve your digestive health. Wild rice, native to North America, is a true grain and a nutritional treasure. Unlike white rice, wild rice is rich in protein and fiber, making it a more nutritious option for your meals. This nutty and chewy grain boasts more protein than other rice varieties and is a good source of fiber, B vitamins and minerals like manganese and zinc. These nutrients are essential for maintaining energy levels, supporting metabolism, and promoting overall health. Wild rice also contains powerful antioxidants that protect our cells from damage. These antioxidants can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support a healthy immune system. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet is easier than you might think. With a little creativity, you can enjoy their health benefits in a variety of delicious ways. Quinoa can be enjoyed as a warm breakfast porridge, a hearty salad base, or a flavorful side dish. Its mild flavor and fluffy texture make it a versatile ingredient that can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Chia seeds can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or overnight oats for a nutritional boost. You can also use them to make chia pudding, a delicious and healthy dessert option. Wild rice adds a nutty flavor and satisfying texture to soups, stews, and pilafs. It can also be used as a base for salads or as a side dish to complement your main course. By incorporating these superfoods into your meals, you can enjoy their numerous health benefits and take a step towards a healthier, more balanced diet. Imagine stepping into your backyard and harvesting a bounty of fresh, nutrient-rich superfoods. A garden teeming with the vibrant hues of quinoa, the delicate fronds of wild rice, and the unassuming yet powerful chia plant. This vision can become a reality with a little know-how and a touch of green thumb inspiration. Growing rice, the staple food for billions worldwide, might seem daunting, but it's surprisingly achievable even in a small backyard. Rice thrives in warm, sunny climates with ample water. Choose a sunny spot in your garden, prepare a paddy or container that can hold water, and start with short-grain rice varieties for easier home cultivation. Quinoa, a cool-season crop, is a relatively low-maintenance superfood to grow. It prefers well-drained soil and full sun exposure. Direct sow the seeds after the last frost, thin the seedlings as they emerge, and watch as your quinoa plants flourish into tall stalks adorned with vibrant seed heads. Cultivating wild rice requires a bit more patience and a water feature like a pond or a large container. Wild rice thrives in shallow, slow-moving fresh water. Sow the seeds directly into the water in spring, and be prepared to wait a full growing season for your wild rice to mature and be ready for harvest. Growing your own superfoods is a rewarding experience that connects you to the source of your food and empowers you to take control of your health. It's a testament to the incredible bounty that nature provides, and a reminder that the most nourishing foods often come from the simplest of origins.